ready to craft progressive house anthems that hit with the emotional punch of Arty. Let's dive into emulating the signature sound of the acclaimed progressive house artist Arty. Will break down his characteristic melodies, chord progressions, sound design, and mixing techniques to capture his unique style in your own productions. First, Arty's melodies are often characterized by their uplifting, anthemic quality. They tend to be memorable and build with a sense of emotional journey. Think about using major scales and pentatonic scales for that bright, euphoric feel. Next, his chord progressions frequently utilize extended chords and suspensions, adding that signature emotional depth. Experiment with major sevenths, ninths, and even some suspended chords to create that lush, evolving soundscape. For sound design, Arty is known for his warm, rich synth leads and pads. Will focus on analog-style synths, using saw waves and square waves with some detuning and subtle chorus to achieve that width and character. Don't forget to layer your synths for extra presence. Now for the mixing, Arty's tracks have a clear, powerful sound. Will EQ our synths to ensure they cut through the mix without being harsh, using a bit of gentle compression to glue them together and add sustain. Reverb and delay are crucial for that signature Arty vibe. Apply spacious reverbs to your leads to create a sense of depth and atmosphere, and use rhythmic delays on arpeggios or secondary melodic elements to add movement and texture. Finally, let's talk about the low end. A solid, driving kick drum and a well-defined bass line are essential. Cytokine everything slightly to the kick to create that pumping, rhythmic energy that moves the dance floor. By focusing on these key elements, uplifting melodies, emotional chord progressions, warm synth design, strategic reverb, and a powerful low end, you'll be well on your way to capturing the essence of Arty's iconic progressive house sound. Now go create your next stadium-ready track.